Once upon a time, in a vibrant coral reef, lived a tiny crab named Crush. Crush was not like the other crabs. He had a soft, cuddly shell that made him stand out in the crowd. Crush felt a little self-conscious about his unique shell, but he didn't let it stop him from exploring the beautiful underwater world. He loved to scuttle around, discovering new corals, shells, and fish. One day, Crush found a shiny, smooth pebble. It was just the right size for him to carry it on his back, a perfect disguise. Crush felt happy and confident, blending in with the other crabs. As Crush was exploring, he met a friendly fish named Dory. Dory was fascinated by Crush's cuddly shell and asked, "Why did you hide your special shell, Crush?" "It's beautiful." Crush hesitated, then smiled and said, "I thought it made me different, and I was afraid. But now, I see that my cuddly shell is what makes me special." Dory nodded, understandingly. "You're right, Crush. Being different is what makes each of us unique and special." From that day on, Crush was no longer self-conscious about his cuddly shell. He embraced his uniqueness and made new friends who loved him just the way he was. And every night, as Crush went to sleep, he felt grateful for his special shell, the one that made him stand out among the crowd. The end.